Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn to extract the data from JSON file. I have a JSON dataset, employees.json. Let's extract this data. Let's define the code, extract JSON. We have to use JSON package. Let's import JSON. Let's open the JSON file with open. Let's define the path and file name as file. Data is equal to json.load file. Let's print the data. JSON file has been extracted. It has been extracted with the list of dictionaries. Let's get the content of every JSON tag. Let's for row in, and our data set is within employees. Employees is our root tag. Let's say employees print row. Here we have the individual records in a dictionary format. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.